Manufacturing plants are often the lifeblood of the communities surrounding them, so plant closures can have a devastating impact at both the individual and community levels. In Local 1330, United Steelworkers versus United States Steel, over 3,000 mill workers rallied to stop their employer from shutting down two community-embedded facilities. Two labor unions, United Steelworkers of America, Locals 1330 and 1307, represented employees at the Ohio Works and McDonald Works steel mills in Youngstown, Ohio. Owned by United States Steel and operated since the early 20th century, the mills had become obsolete due to new technological developments. Company representatives repeatedly urged mill employees to pitch in to make operations profitable and avoid closures. Employees complied, taking significant steps to streamline production and increase profitability. According to the employees' definition of profitability, based on a gross profit margin accounting of gross revenue minus variable costs, the mills had become profitable as a result of their efforts. However, the company's normal accounting, which depreciated machinery and considered expenses, indicated that the facilities remained unprofitable. The company decided to shut down both mills and release thousands of employees. In an effort to keep the mills open, the unions sued the company in the United States District Court for the Northern District of Ohio. Based primarily on a theory of promissory estoppel, the unions alleged that company representatives formed a contract with employees when employees acted in detrimental reliance on company promises to keep the mills open if employees helped make the operations profitable. The district court disagreed, and the unions appealed to the United States Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit.